Thutha wa gucokera arumiriri yake matikanyite itemi githurano-ini kia upresident kiria giacokerwo tariki 26 mweri wa 10 undu uria watuthurire ngui icigo-ini iria nyitagwo mbaru muno Mutongoria muthia-ini Raila Odinga ni anireire mubango wake.
I think that what we are calling for requires a longer time, and in the meantime we need to have an interim arrangement of governance which will involve representatives from both parties. We think that maybe 6 months would be required to carry out all these changes that we need in this country in order to have a proper, free and fair election.
Akiria na nyumba ya Mohoro ya reuters, Raila augite President Uhuru Kenyatta ndangihota guthamaka kurumirira githurano kiria kirigite kuona gicunji kinene kia Kenya matianyitire itemi githurano-ini kiu na ihinda ni ikinyu gwika mogaruruku gatiba-ini ya bururi.
If they try to swear Uhuru Kenyatta, even if the Supreme Court now clears him, it will just be the beginning of another struggle. I think you know that he does not have the confidence in the people. In this repeat poll, he got less than 30% of the electorate voted for him. That is a vote of no confidence. See? So he will be a president for some part of the country, but not the whole country. And that will be most unfortunate. That's why we want to have a discussion ahead of time.
Raila niongereire kuuga gukinyanira kwa miario gatagati ka Jubilee na NASA gukuringana na wirutiri wa atongoria a Jubilee na ni ehariririe kungethanira nao.
We are not looking at ourselves. We're talking about what is best for this country. You see, a society which is got so many different ethnic groups. A pure presidential system enhances ethnicity because each community believes that they are not safe unless their man is at the top.
Raila akoretwo agicogera arumiriri yake matigakurane kana gutambura utongoria wa Uhuru Kenyatta ona uhotani wake ugikindirwo ni igoti ria Supreme thutha wake kwiyeheria githurano-ini kiu akiuga mendekithia make matiathingatirwo ni kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.